Assalamualaikum, welcome to Healthy Desi Cooking. In today's video we are going to make some Desi basic pakoras. So let's get started. For this we're going to use 1 to 2 onions, some coriander, 1.5 cup of gram flour, some mint, 1 to 2 green chilies, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of pomegranate seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and a cup of water as per requirement. Now I'm going to take a bowl and added the gram flour into it, 1.5 cup of gram flour, and added the onions, some chopped onions, green chili flakes, coriander, mint, and added all the spices into it. Then going to mix it well. After mixing it, going to pour some water and going to make its paste. Mixing it well so that there are no lumps are left. Its consistency should be this much thick. After mixing the batter, pour some oil in the wok and let it heat and let it become hot. Once the oil is hot enough, we're going to take some chunks from the batter and place it in the hot oil very carefully with the help of tablespoon. We're going to let it cook until its one side has changed its color into light golden. One side is completely cooked, then going to flip it. Now both sides are completely cooked. We're going to dish them out in a plate and gonna show it to you. So this is our today's recipe. Hope you enjoyed it. You can have them with some ketchup or mint raitas or chutneys that enhances its taste. Because we've added the baking soda in it, that's why they're so swelled up and so crunchy and crispy. If you enjoyed our today's video, do not forget to like, subscribe the channel and share the video, and do comment and share your thoughts with us. Meet you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.